Hello guys, welcome back. This is me Denicia Fernandez and today I'm going to be reviewing on the Vasigra Veda herbal mask for curls. Now I had ordered this, it's been a while that I've ordered it and I've been using it frequently just so as to know what is happening with my hair and how does it work. So I couldn't review it initially when I had ordered for this one, but I have only this much remaining in this pack and I am looking forward to order the entire box which they have. Like, they have a tin box where you have like 500 grams of this powder. And as you see, I have curly hair and yesterday I had gone out and I was exposed to a lot of sunlight and a lot of dust, because living in the cities, that means you're exposed to a lot of pollution for your hair, and my hair had turned very much dry and I was irritated. So then I was like, okay, I have this powder and I'm going to use it and I'm going to treat my hair today. So I've just oiled them with the coconut oil. So the coconut oil is from my village, from my uncle's farm, where we take the coconut and dry them and then extract the oil. So I use that oil for my hair, and now I'm just going to apply this mask, and I will show you how to make the mask. It's pretty easy and I literally love this pack. So, and I'll show you how to make this pack, apply it and keep it in my hair for about half an hour and then just wash it off, so I don't have the entire time of using the shampoo and conditioner. I just go and wash them, and then again keep in mind that you do not have to wash your hair with hot water. So I have bath in two parts. First I wash my body and then I wash my hair. There are days that I only wash my hair upside down under the tap. So people literally wonder like, what the hell am I doing? So I have bath in two parts. So the head is with the cold water and the body with the hot water. So now I'll show you how to make the pack. So here I am a floor dweller, so I'm sitting on the floor and doing the video. So for this, to make the pack, I will use like half cup of water. I'll just pour it in my bowl, and then I will show you how much of the powder has to be used. So I will take, the powder is almost over, almost done with it, because I kept using it previously. I think I've had like 5 washes before. So 1 tablespoon, 2, and I'll take 1 more scoop, 3. So I've used 3 tablespoonful of the Vasigra Veda herbal mask powder, and I'll use a fork because it gets easier to mix it, because there are lumps. And so keep mixing it nicely. You know, once if you add the powder and then keep adding the water, it doesn't mix well. Okay, so you have to be very sure that you are using the right amount of water and right amount of powder. And you see, it has this watery consistency, and it's okay, it's gonna just get thick in a while. I love this watery consistency because I can just pour it on my scalp and it spreads out evenly, rather than the mushy one. It just takes a lot of time to spread across. So the watery consistency works fine for me. If this doesn't work for you, for people with straight hair, if you're going to use the curly mask, just saying, but then people with curly hair will understand that you can't get through, you know, once you use your comb, and it gets difficult. So I like this consistency, and I'm just gonna pour it onto my hair and then apply. So for people who want a little bit thick consistency, can add 1 more tablespoonful of this hair mask and then you're good to go. So yes, I'm just gonna apply it on my hair. I'm directly gonna use it all into my hair. I just love to pour it and then spread it out. So you're gonna be dropping a lot of things around, so be careful. this, and then the back side. Okay, be very careful when you do this. Then on the sides. You feel it on your scalp, you know, when you pour it, it just becomes so cold on your scalp that you know, okay, you've dropped enough. So this is the way I apply any packs on my hair. It's a tedious job. And whatever remains, so I have this portion remaining, I have directly applied it on my hair. And the remaining portion, that is all of this, I'm just gonna pour it like this. I'm gonna spread it out. This is satisfying. Okay, I forgot to comb my hair. I realized it later. That's alright, I'll just comb it after I'm done with this. And now the ends. I'm gonna pour all of it and just mixy mix. Yeah, I do all of this so that I know that my hair has soaked a good amount of the hair mask. Then I'm just gonna dip my entire hair into the bowl and let it soak the excess hair back. So here I am, I'm done. This is the fastest way of applying any kind of hair mask. You may have not seen people doing it this way, but yes, I do it. Now I'm just gonna comb my hair and I'll be back. That's how I look once I have applied the entire mask, and now that I've combed my hair, I've seen that it's easier to comb my hair after wearing the mask. Though a lot of the powder wears off because you are combing your hair, I use the white tooth comb. So it's easier to comb my hair because the pack is just in your hair and it's making your hair soft. The same thing that you do after you use the conditioner and it gets soft, right? And then you comb your hair. So it is much more easier to comb your hair and it gets detangled, which is amazing. So yeah, I have it. Now I'll keep it in my hair for about 20 minutes because it took me 10 minutes to comb my hair. So I'll just keep it for another 20 minutes and then I'll just have a bath, and guys, see you after that. So this is how my hair looks like once it has been washed completely. So keep in mind that you do not have to use any shampoo, any conditioner or anything. You just wash it off with cold water because cold water is good for your hair, especially curly hair. So yes, this is how it looks like. Nice, bouncy, soft and curly. And I will show you how it looks like after it has been dried. And you may have a lot of remnants of those powder in your hair, and it's completely alright because once it dries, it just falls off. So you don't have to worry about it, and it's okay. And it smells as great as the nature. So don't worry about the smell. It doesn't have any fragrance. It just gives out the smell of any jadi booty wala smell. So it's okay. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Yeah. So this is how my hair looks once it has been dried completely. You see, See the texture of my hair, it has become completely curly. I don't have to apply anything. I didn't apply any creams or any shampoo or any conditioner. This is right after me just oiling the hair and using the Vasigra Veda's curly hair mask, and they are beautiful. Thank you.